Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I'll show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is completely turned off. So from here, as you can see, when I put finger here, I cannot scan my fingerprint. I have to press on it and after that I can make it. So to make it faster, we have to go for the settings, find the biometrics and security, go for the fingerprints, input our currently locked method, in my case it's simple pattern, and here we can find the fingerprint always on and show icon when screen is off. Let's click to on as always on display. And then just go back, lock your device, and just take a look right now. As you can see right now from this position, we are able to scan our fingerprint. So as you can see, it's really cool. We don't have to press on the screen like that. Oh, sorry guys. I mean, we don't have to press the power key and then just make it like that. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.